Hey guys, welcome back to Pincha Pink Salt. Today we are going to be a little trendy. We're going to be making DALGONA coffee, and it's not just trendy, it is actually super delicious. So to make this, we are going to need literally 3 ingredients: instant coffee, some sugar, and some hot water. And we are going to mix this very vigorously. Now, I am going to be mixing this by hand. However, if you have a stand mixer or a hand mixer, I would highly recommend that because I'm not gonna lie, this got a little tough. Alright, as you can see, I have the bowl tilted at an angle, and what that does is it allows the mixture to pool at the bottom, which then I can use my hand mixer to whip back up, and you can see I'm using a circular motion. Eventually, your mixture will look like this: nice, thick, and creamy. This is the consistency that we want for our DALGONA coffee. Now we get to assemble. So I have my favorite mug, my ice, my milk of choice, which of course is always almond milk, and now we get to top with our DALGONA coffee cream. And this cream, as you can see in the video, it's really easy to make, especially if you have a hand mixer or a stand mixer. Even by hand, it really does not take that long. It just takes a little elbow grease, a little patience, and a little time. But this is really it, and as you can see, it is so thick and creamy. I've seen other videos with DALGONA coffee, but I don't know, I guess doing it myself, I was not expecting it to be so thick, rich, and creamy, and it smells so amazing. So now I get to reap the fruits of my labor, and now I get to drink. And it was a little difficult to mix, as you can see, but when you get it all mixed in and you take that first sip, if you're a coffee lover like myself, you are going to love this drink. It tastes so good and it's nice and creamy. It's just amazing. I can definitely see why this was trending, or currently is trending. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please give me a like and subscribe to my channel. I put out new videos every single week, and also hit that notification bell. That way you'll get notified every time I put out a new video. If you do make this recipe, let me know in the comments below. I would love to know how it turned out. And until next time, guys, have a great day. Bye.